cut my hair today. Why am I cutting my hair? Because I watch a lot of YouTube videos. In terms of experience, it's close to nothing, but I got some practice in. Whoa! So if this video gets 24 likes, I'll either A, cut my hair short, or B, I'll attempt to perm my hair. You know, that'll be a TikTok video, but you know what? I'm down to try anything new. So let me know down in the comments. And first, let's get this video to 24 likes. If not, even more. So let's get back to this video. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's get back. Fortunately, my aunt has some clippers already, so it'll make my barber life easier. Let's go grab some supplies. So just an update, I just clipped my hair so that my clipper won't touch the top. So just going to try to give myself a fade. Now, if you know what guards are and the measurements and what open and the close lever is, then it's probably a good sign that you should try cutting your own hair.
So about that recommendation, I don't recommend cutting your hair unless you want to waste like 2 hours or it's just struggle. I mean,
Now let's get to the cut. Time lapse. I mean, the angle is just to learn something new. So if you want to try barbering, you know, let's do it. If you need a haircut, I got you. I mean, look at this. I mean, this footage is like 4 days after me cutting my hair. So I'll show you a footage that I just cut that day.
Like you cut G, Baba Booey.
For this video, the things I learned is that mosquitoes are annoying. As for my experience in cutting my own hair, I will get better. And there's this part transition that I couldn't fix. Like there's this line, and yeah, that's my experience. I don't. So my barber life journey.
what the hell is going on?
Ooh.
I mean,